Hello friends, welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make very tasty, very yummy homemade vegetable pizza. You can make this easy recipe with the available ingredients that you have at home. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. We have taken yeast 1 tablespoon, water 1/4 cup. If you don't have yeast at home, you can use the baking soda and baking powder 1 tablespoon each. Mix it and let the yeast rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll start the process of making pizza dough. We have taken all-purpose flour 1 cup, salt 1/2 tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon. Mix it. At this point you can add baking soda and baking powder if you don't have yeast at home. Our yeast is ready. We can mix it with the flour. Mix it well using the whisk. Now we'll make the dough. Using our hand, we'll make a soft dough. Adding 4 drops of oil and mixing it well. Now we'll leave this dough aside for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll keep it in a container, close the lid and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes so that it ferments well. Our dough has rested for a while. Now we'll start making the pizza. For that, I have sprinkled some all-purpose flour. As you can see, we have made the pizza dough very soft. We have taken the whole dough. We'll be cutting it into 3 pieces. We are going to make 3 pizzas from this. Let's flatten the dough and start pressing it with the hand. We can also use the roller to roll the pizza bread. Now we'll prick it using the fork like this. The pan is in medium flame. I'll put the pizza bread. Let's cook the pizza bread first and then we'll start adding the toppings on that. Now as we can see, one side is cooked. Let me show you the other side. That's also cooked very well. As soon as we can see the bubbles are coming up, we can flip it to the other side. See, it's cooked very well. Our bread is ready. We can let it cool down for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we can start adding the toppings on that. I have taken the pizza sauce that's easily available in the market. I have added 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce here. And then we'll add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce and 1/2 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. We'll spread the sauce all over the bread. Now we are going to add some mozzarella cheese on that. We have already sliced the vegetables Now we'll put the vegetables on top. Capsicum. I have made thin slices of it. Tomatoes. It gives a beautiful look when added different vegetables in different colors. Adding onion. Adding mushrooms. If you are allergic to mushroom or you don't like mushrooms, you can avoid using it. You can also add sweet corn to it. Adding some more mozzarella cheese on the top. Now adding some vegetables again. Same way, we are going to make another pizza. We'll be heating the pan in medium flame and then we'll keep it in low flame and we'll keep the pizza on the top. Cover it with the lid and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can see the pizza is ready. The cheese has melted. It is looking very nice, very yummy. Same way, I will make another pizza now. So this is my second pizza that I'm making. Same way, again I'm covering it with the lid and then after 10 minutes, the cheese has melted very well. Adding some chili flakes on the top. Oregano. Now we'll slice the pizza using the slicer. It looks really delicious and yummy. It has come out with a very good texture. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.